Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So far we have discussed about finding a positive real root of the given equation by using Newton-Raphson method. In this video I will give one more application of Newton-Raphson method. See, find Newton-Raphson algorithm to find square root of a natural number capital N. Natural number means a positive integer which is denoted by capital N. And hence we have to estimate the value of square root of 32. Okay, this is the another application of Newton-Raphson method. Okay, by using Newton-Raphson method we can easily find out square root of a natural number capital N. See the procedure. So we are going to find out root over capital N. So you should take x is equal to root over n. So by squaring on both sides you will get x square is equal to capital N. So take f of x is equal to x square minus n is equal to 0. Okay, this is an algebraic equation. So whenever we are going to apply Newton-Raphson method, we should take the derivative of f of x also, which is denoted by f dash of x. So derivative of x square is 2x. And n is a positive integer, it is a constant, its derivative with respect to x is 0. So 2x minus 0 is simply 2x. Take it equation number 2. Okay, now write the algorithm in Newton-Raphson method. We know that the algorithm in Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn over f dash of xn for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Okay, so substitute the values of f of xn and f dash of xn in this formula. So xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus what is f of xn? In our f of x, whenever we have x, replace it by xn. So you will get xn square minus capital N over f dash of xn. So replace x by xn in f dash of x. You will get 2xn. Take the LCM. So xn plus 1 becomes 2xn is the LCM. Here in the first part denominator is 1. So by taking the LCM you should multiply the numerator xn with 2xn. So it is 2xn square minus xn square. You can separate the terms here, minus xn square minus of minus plus capital N. Okay. So this implies xn plus 1 is equal to 2xn square minus xn square, which is xn square plus n over 2xn. So xn plus 1 is equal to, split the terms. We can write this term as 1 by 2 whole into xn square by xn. One xn getting cancelled and there is another xn in the numerator plus n by xn. So this is called Newton-Raphson algorithm. Newton-Raphson algorithm to find square root over capital N. Okay. Now it is enough to find out root over 32. So for the value of root over 32, replace capital N is equal to 32 in this formula. Okay, and we have to evaluate various approximations by replacing n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, see. Now take a heading to find root over 32. So we have to replace capital N is equal to 32 in this algorithm, capital A. Okay. So you will get xn plus 1 is equal to half into xn plus 32 over xn. Suppose we are going to find out root over 17, then you should replace n is equal to 17. Okay. See, for the first approximation, of the value of root over 32, replace n is equal to 0. In equation number 3. So you will get x1, x suffix 0 plus 1, which is x1 is equal to half into x0 plus 32 by x0. What is x0? Starting value of the required root over 32. So we know that, so root over 32 should lies between root over 25 is less than root over 32 is less than root over 36. So root 32 should lies between root over 25 and root over 36. We know that root over 25 is a perfect square, root over 36 is also a perfect square. So that is 5 is less than root 32 is less than 6. Okay, so you can take 5 and 6 as initial approximations for the required square root. So let us start with x0 is equal to, you may start with x0 as 5, otherwise 6, otherwise it is better to take a plus b by 2, which is 5 plus 6 by 2, which is 5.5. Okay, now x1 is equal to half into, what is x0 value here? 5.5 plus 32 by 5.5. So by using scientific calculator, we can get this value as 5.6590. Now we have to find out the second approximation. See, now take heading second approximation. For second approximation, we have to replace n is equal to 1. n is equal to 1 in equation number 3. So you will get x suffix 1 plus 1, which is x2 is equal to half into x1 plus 32 over x1. Just we got the x1 value as 5.6590. Okay, substitute this value in this one. So which is 5.6590 plus 32 over 5.6590. So by using scientific calculator, we can get this is 5.6568. Okay. So far only two decimal places are equal in x1 and x2. That's why we have to find out third approximation also. For third approximation, we should replace n is equal to 2 in equation number 3. Okay, so you will get x suffix 2 plus 1. Whenever we have n, replace it by 2, you will get x3, which is third approximation for the required root. So 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 of x2 plus 32 by x2. Just we got x2 in previous approximation, which is half into 5.6568 plus 32 by 5.6568. Again, by using scientific calculator, we can get as 5.6568. We are observing that both second and third approximation are have similar value. So x2 is equal to x3. Hence, we can take root over 32 as 5.6568, and don't forget to write approximately. Okay, this is the conclusion of the given problem. In this way, we can calculate the root of a square root of any natural number by using Newton option method. This is very important one. Thank you.